Hi, this is Lou Anella at Oklahoma State University, and today I'd like to talk about 3 different ways to repair irrigation pipe. Daniel Jordan is going to help us do this. He was wearing an Oklahoma State t-shirt, so he got selected. And first we'd like to talk about using a compression coupling to repair a broken pipe. The advantage of the compression coupling is that it doesn't require PVC cement or primer. So it has these 2 threaded nuts on either end and also washers, and we're going to cut the pipe so that we can fit the coupling in there. We're actually cutting this pipe too large. You should actually cut it smaller so that there is some overlap between the coupling and the pipe that's in the ground. So the washers go over each end of the pipe, the nuts go on first, and then the washers. Then you slip the coupling over one section of the pipe and then over the other, tighten the nuts, and you should have a good watertight seal. So again, we cut this too large. You should have a smaller section of the pipe cut so that there's overlap between the coupling and the pipe. But those washers make a nice watertight seal, and then you should have a good repair for your broken irrigation pipe. One problem with the compression coupling is, since there isn't any PVC cement, if the pipe were to move in the ground, especially where we've cut it too large, that coupling and that pipe can slip apart. So that's one disadvantage of this system. Another possibility is to use a telescoping repair coupling. In this case, we do want to cut the gap in the pipe a little bit larger than the coupling itself. So telescope it all the way down so that it's as small as it can be. Then cut the opening in the pipe a little bit larger than the coupling itself. You're going to want to prime the pipe and then cement a coupling onto one section of the pipe. Prime and cement the other pipe, and then unscrew the coupling from the telescoping coupling and cement it to that other pipe. Now that those are both cemented, you can screw the telescoping coupling back together and then telescope it out so that it connects to the other pipe, and again, that needs to be primed and cemented. One of the advantages of the telescoping coupling is that it is cemented to each section of pipe, so it really does give you a very good connection that should last. Another possibility is to use a new product called a flexible coupling. This coupling actually bends, so it allows you to connect each end to a piece of pipe in the ground that can't move. Here you want to cut the opening in the pipe a little bit shorter than the length of the coupling itself, about 2 inches shorter, so that you have an inch of overlap on each side. So you want to prime and cement one end of the coupling and one pipe and hook them together. Then you can bend this coupling so that you can get it to connect to the other side of the pipe. So again, prime and cement the coupling itself and the pipe, and by bending it you can get those two connected. This is a new product from Duraplastics, and they recommend it only for laterals. They do not recommend it for pipes that are under constant water pressure, such as a main. They also recommend this product for corners that are not exactly 90 degrees, or for going over obstacles such as tree roots in the ground. So there are 3 different ways of repairing irrigation pipe. I'd like to thank my class at Oklahoma State University for helping me prepare this video.